what does your guys' growth look like? Like, what does Soil Cycle's growth look like from here? Like, I mean, you guys obviously have had fantastic, you mentioned, because how long has Soil Cycle been around? 4 years, 5 years?
So fourth year.
Fourth year. So I mean, from where you guys started to where you are now, and then what are you guys looking at? Is it capacity? Is it sites? Is it more iron? Like, what does the growth look like for a business like yours? Being able to handle more?
We want to keep our profit margins high.
Yes, amen.
I mean, at the end of the day, the way we look at it is if we can develop lands for other organizations, there's no reason why we can't for ourselves. So, I mean, the big picture would be owning our own land and hiring our own companies to come in and we have the synergy to do it between all the divisions. So, and I think we all know to construct, like the construction portion of a job, of a development is the largest cost, right? So, if we can go in there and get it to a certain point and then sell the land, I mean, I think there's a huge benefit to that, as well too, right? So our long-term, goal would be getting into development. So we're trying to be smart with the money we are making and make the right moves at the beginning, because every move seems to be a crucial move, right? So, that's kind of our long-term goal, to see. I mean, yes, we want to have a transfer station as well. We want to have our spots that we want to have a well-oiled machine, a great playbook that, we can share and try to help with people as well too.
Yeah, I feel like a perception, like let's say I'm taking out material and I got to take it to our local dump site here, right? I mean, I'm going, dang, those guys are making serious bank. Like, look at how much it was per load and how much money. But like, the more it's almost like you guys, it's a super capital intensive business. I mean, you guys need working with super expensive permits. You need super expensive iron on site to move it. You have people, you have QC, you have engineers, you have your apps that you're running. I mean, there's a lot going on there. So you guys were talking about like money management and stuff. Like, as far as, maybe a younger guy watching this, or younger girl, or just somebody, like, is this a business where you'd be like, yeah, this is something good. I would recommend people to get into this. I mean, take a bias out of it of maybe, hey, let us, have it all. But what's the business model like? Is it good?
To be honest with you, it's a tough business. I mean, when you got 250 trucks rolling into a job site, the stress levels are high. I mean, this isn't for everybody. You got peers that aren't knowledgeable on how to drive, or they don't have any, so they can make a site, we try to have, what do we have? Like 8 minutes on and off site. So that's kind of our guarantee. We do 2-lane roads in. So we're really trying to make, our sites where people want to go, because everyone's gone to a dump site where it's rutted out. You're getting there, it's soaking wet. You can't dump. So our, to run it right, it costs money. So that's the tough thing, right? And being efficient. So if we're doing a load, truck and dump, I mean, you want the biggest bucket going in the back of a dump truck as quick as you can. You want the biggest dozer blowing through a load so you can have multiple loads. You can't have a small machine. Like, it's all very, the overhead's huge.
I'll tell you what, I had hair and I had no gray 4 years ago. Okay. So this was an unregulated business for so long that you've got your characters in here that are tough. And you got to be able to handle and manage those types of people being tough yourself. So if it's not for everyone, you're sure come across somebody at some point that has ill intentions and is going to test you. And if you're not, don't have a backbone to stand up to that, then this isn't the industry for you.